I am not going to make any presentation because we have been listening, we have structured it in such a way that first we have listened to the users, what they really want in the corrugated box. They have told us where the retail market is going and what they are really looking at in a corrugated box. We should be getting ready for shelf-ready or retail-ready packaging. They are looking at cost reduction. We are looking at profit increase. So while there is a conflict, supposedly conflict of interest, but I think there is a way out, part of which Mr. Venkatraman and other paper, Manish and others have told us little earlier in paper what new technologies and lightweighting and other things can do. And other aspect of quality improvement and cost reduction can come from converting. And of course, we have Jack here from Markwip Ward. They are, I think, the largest box making company in the box making machinery company in the world, and they have some very good technology which I have personally visited in many countries like China, Spain, Japan, Germany, and other places. So I think he is the right person to start off with. I'm changing the order with due respect to others so that we start with board making and then we move down. So I hope the other two gentlemen will not mind. So we have to really look at meeting the customer expectations of better quality box at a lower cost. And at the same time, our costs are increasing. The box plants are in a big dilemma. They really have to meet the expectation of the customers. The costs are rising very, very fast. I think the labor input, labor costs in India have, at the lower level, have at least gone up by at least 25 to 30% in last 1 year. Labor availability is becoming a problem at the lower level. So there's so many issues which are coming up. To address part of that, I request Jack to come and take over and tell us what we can do to improve our production, productivity, quality, and make more money at the same time. Thank you.